आज आपको हम एक मजे की चीज दिखाएंगे। पाकिस्तानी हमारे दोस्त जो सियालकोट से आए हैं और हमारे दोस्त हैं, वो आज इंग्लिश बोलेंगे यहाँ कीनियन लोगों के साथ, और हम आपको दिखाएंगे कि उनकी इंग्लिश का स्टैंडर्ड क्या है और किस तरह वो बात करते हैं।
How are you? Where are you from?
I'm from Kenya.
You're
from?
Pakistan.
Oh, nice to meet you.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. Huh?
Feel comfortable.
Good, good,
Enjoy
good.
your stay.
You are very nice
Thank you.
peoples.
Thank you.
You're looking so beautiful.
Thank you.
Kendi, thank you.
You ask him
Have you enjoyed the stay here?
Very enjoy, very enjoy.
Surrounding?
I have visited some places. More time. Are you married?
Yeah.
Yeah. Very
Mother
good.
of one.
Good.
Yeah, baby boy.
And,
Do you have a family?
huh?
Do you have a family?
Yes.
You are married?
Me married. I'm married. Three. वो क्या कहते हैं? Three sons.
3 sons.
हाँ.
Oh, you look young.
Yes. Look young. Good. Very good. I am very funny guy. I have visited more places with you.
Your hobbies, you like sleeping?
My hobbies more bandit कि उन्होंने खाने ਨੂੰ ਕੀ ਆਂਦੇ ਨੇ यार this guy from Pakistan. I have sent from Mombasa for me Mombasa. He's coming for me Mombasa from Mombasa. Good. वो मेरे साथ एक और हैं, क्या उन्हें कहते हैं?
He's a friend or he's a brother to you?
He's my boss. Corporation from Pakistan State Life Insurance.
Okay. That's
Good.
nice.
ਇਹਨੂੰ ਪੁੱਛਣਾ ਤੇਰੀ ਰਿਹਾਇਸ਼ ਕਿੱਥੇ ਹੈ, ਕੀ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਨੇ? ਇਹ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਦੇ ਵਾਲਾਂ ਚ your hair very nice. You are so beautiful. I like you. In these people, Kenya people, very nice people.
They're very nice. And I'm one of them.
Do you like me?
But you scared me at first.
You spend with time me.
I'll be coming to stand here.
तो होके आई हैं हाँ?
But when did you scare me?
Agree or not agree?
Not
They-
yet. I'm still your friend.
Mama, we are friends and enjoy the pool vacations.
Who, me?
With you. Good.
You want me to be fired?
Huh?
You want me to be fired?
Okay.
ਜਿੰਨੀ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਇੰਗਲਿਸ਼ ਆਂਦੀ ਉਹਨੇ ਸਾਰੀ ਬੋਲ ਛੜੀ ਹੈ। ਉਹਨੇ तो बाद ਉਹਦੇ ਕੋਲ ਤਵੱਕੋ ना करे कि और इंग्लिश बोले। जी, मैं उम्मीद करता हूं कि आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आई होगी। पसंद आने पर लाइक करें, इसको शेयर करें और सब्सक्राइब करें, और हमारे उमर भाई के लिए कोई ना कोई कमेंट करके ज़रूर बताएं कि इन्होंने आज इतनी अच्छी इंग्लिश बोली है, और इनको अप्रिशिएट ज़रूर करें ताकि ये और अच्छी इंग्लिश बोल सकें।